Apple just released iOS 26.5 for iPhone, and today I am installing it live on my iPhone 13. Honestly, this update is huge. The file size is 3.53 gigabyte. Now, according to Apple, this update brings new AI features, security improvements, app upgrades, and better system stability. But many users online are also reporting battery drain, UI lag, overheating, and random bugs. So, today, let's see if iOS 26.5 is actually worth updating. And while I am continuing, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more real-world iPhone update reviews. So, here it is, iOS 26.5 on my 128 gigabyte iPhone 13, and the size, it's 3.53 gigabyte. This is a massive update. Considering this is not a full iOS version update, Apple is saying this update includes security improvements, Apple Intelligence upgrades, app enhancements, and system refinements. There are also updates to Apple Maps, messages, and RCS features according to reports online. One of the biggest focuses of iOS 26.5 seems to be AI and system intelligence. Apple is continuing to improve Apple Intelligence features and smarter app experiences. Users are also reporting smoother animations, faster app launching, and improved responsiveness after updating. Some people are calling iOS 26.5 a noticeable performance improvement over previous iOS 26 versions. Apple also included important security fixes in this update, and honestly, that alone makes this update important for many users. But not everyone is having a perfect experience after updating, and this is where things get interesting. Some users online are reporting battery drain, overheating, UI freezes, slow keyboard animations, and random bugs. There are also complaints about AirPods connectivity issues, laggy animations, and brand new liquid glass UI using too much GPU power. So, battery life feedback is very mixed. Some users say battery backup improved, while others saying their phone drains much faster after updating. Okay, my iPhone is preparing to install the update, and the main update process should be started very soon. Honestly, the iPhone 13 should handle iOS 26.5 much better than older iPhones like 11 or SE2. But let's see how smooth everything feels after the reboot. So, should you update your iPhone 13 to iOS 26.5? In my opinion, the answer is yes, if you care about security, new AI features, app improvements, and better long-term support. The iPhone 13 still has powerful hardware in 2026, so it should handle this update pretty well. But if you absolutely need maximum stability, perfect battery life, and less bugs, then maybe wait a little longer for feedback and bug fixes. Overall, from the internet, what I can say is iOS 26.5 feels a step forward, but it still doesn't look completely polished yet. If you already updated your iPhone, let me know your experience in the comments. Did your phone get smoother or worse after updating? And how is your battery life and battery health? If this video helped you, Don't forget to like and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more real world iPhone update test and tech videos. Thank you for watching.